Welcome to the part of me ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you all the box accessories once our device comes. So first let's just open the box and let's check this first paper box. Here we can find the ASUS SIM eject tool, the protective plastic case in dark color, the matte one. Okay, let's use it here on our phone. Okay, after that we can find here the paper box with the quick start guide, the warranty card here, and let's just check this down section. And here we can find the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the original ASUS charger brick. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.